Y'all get to the shelter. I can see it right over there. I can see the edge of it. That's it right there.
Tornado.
Yep, that's it. I can see it. That's the edge right there.
It's over in Florence, ain't it?
Yeah, y'all get in the shelter. That's it. That's the tornado right there. Ashley, it's right there. It's right there. You can see it. Look, right ahead. I just saw it hit something. I saw power flashes. You see it?
Yeah. Everybody needs to get inside.
All right, get inside. I can see it. We can see it. Y'all, the tornado's right there. Y'all need to get inside.